Ashley, what you doing? Why do you have sand on your nose? Oh, can you put that down? That's dirty, sweetie. Thank you. Ashley, dirty. Where'd you go? Ashley, come play football with Daddy and Nene. Walk around the blanket. There we go. Can you get her to put that stick down she's holding, please? Never mind. Good girl.
Actually had the same mustache.
I know, I see that. Yeah, she's trying to sneeze it out. Can you brush it off for her while I video? Can you brush it off for her, babe? Alright, let me video a little bit of this and then we'll go do that. Oh dear. Ashley, let me see your mustache. It's blurry. Why should I put garbage in the sand? Come on, play football, Nick. I'm videoing nothing. Catch the football.
It's garbage. Don't touch it, okay?
Go ahead, I'm going to get Nicholas a bit catching. Good job, almost. Actually, I don't think that's a good spot for you to sit. Oh, almost. Oh, almost. What's Ash doing? What are you doing, Ashley? You caught it? Oh, darn it. Good. Sorry, I was videoing Ashley for 1 second. Yay, you got it. Good job. Good job, 2 or 3 in a row. He's on a roll. Yay, he's got it now. Ashley's branding herself with a mustache. Hello, Ashley. What's so funny? Dig with your shovel, Ash. Nicholas.
Don't put it on her.
We have that on video. Good job, Nick. There's the beautiful water. There's quite a bit of zoom out. Okay, we shall get some more later.